The following recording was done almost 8 years ago in the Black Forest of Virginia to investigate possible paranormal activities such as screams and the hauntings that occur in the woods over there. The following footage is a recording that was captured in the middle of winter of the night that was being investigated. Whether or not it was an animal is unclear, or something else is up to you. But here's the recording. Enjoy. There's a weird noise coming from the woods, and I've never heard something like it before. I don't know if it's going to keep doing it, though. And I don't know if my mic will pick it up. I don't know if that can be picked up. Almost sounds like a bark. But I know it's not a dog or anything. Strange noise. No idea what that is. It ain't a fox or a coyote or anything.